Hi guys, hi Manu. How are you all? And if you have a question, how have we been and where have I been? Oh my god, I have so many things to tell you. It's been a hell of a ride the first 3 months of 2022. I can't believe we are already like 3 months into 2022. But here we are. Cheti Chand is coming, or it is here already. Cheti Chand 2022, the new year of Sindhis, is here, and we are going to celebrate it with you with a very special giveaway. I have 2 copies of this beautiful book that I absolutely am in love with. Okay, I found out about this book last year. I ordered it right away and I was like, oh my god, this is so pretty. I think this is the most expensive Sindhi cookbook that I have ever seen, and I think it's such a beautiful, like, coffee table book. We are giving away 2 copies of this book. Aren't you excited? I'm very excited. And this book is titled Aromas of Sindh. As you can see, you have already met the author of this book, Geeta Gwalani. If you have watched our video with her in which she's making ghee, the Sindhi delicacy titled ghee. In our Partition Special series, she was our first guest and we were thrilled to have her. She's based out of the US, but this book has given me a chance to meet her via her writing. And I requested her if we can do a giveaway together so that 2 of you guys can receive this beautiful copy. It is 2000 rupees. Okay, so it's quite an expensive book. I need to be ginger with it. This is Mitha Chawara Tahiri that is usually made for Cheti Chand lunches in typical Sindhi households. Before I go on anymore, I want to invite Geeta Gwalani to share with us her childhood memories of Cheti Chand, and then I'm going to be back to tell you the rules of this giveaway. I really loved this book and I sent my copy of the book to my grandmom based in UK. I hope you loved the book, Mike. Alright, so welcoming Geeta Gwalani.
Hello everyone, my name is Geeta Gwalani and I am connecting with you today from the US. Work has brought me to this part of the world. I wish all of you, all Sindhis, very, very happy Cheti Chand. And on this very auspicious day, I do want to share that I am also going to talk about my book, Aromas of Sindh, 100 Recipes from the Heart. This book was published a year back and has received a very good response here in the US. It's also won an award. Do check it out. It's available on Amazon as well. And the reason I wrote this book is really twofold. One, as a tribute to my mother and father. My father, who taught us the language, I can read and write Sindhi, and I owe it to him. And from my mom, I have inherited these recipes. These are authentic Sindhi recipes that I learned from her, and I have tried to put them all together. And the second reason, of course, is to leave a legacy, keep our cuisine alive, make it also in our kitchens, and essentially keep the Sindhi cuisine alive in our hearts and kitchens. So that's the reason I wrote this book. And as we celebrate Cheti Chand today, I think it is only appropriate that we also make tahiri or mitha chawar. I have the recipe of tahiri in this book. It's a very easy recipe and you don't need much. You can also, exchange sugar for gur and make it a slightly more healthier recipe. So, in this book, I have stories from my childhood for every recipe, and I have the same for Mitha Chamara as well. And this specific recipe is connected to Cheti Chand and the Cheti Chand Jo Melo that we would attend every year with my father. There would be stalls of Sindhi food. There would be stalls selling books, Sindhi books. There would be, of course, the puja, aarti, akho, bharano, and also, of course, we would, do the Pallopaya, where we would stand with our heads bowed for blessings from Jhulelal. So I have very fond memories of Cheti Chand. I also celebrate Cheti Chand here in the US, though it's not as big a melo as it was in Bombay, but it still is, and it's a lovely way to keep the culture alive in my family. I celebrate it with my son and my husband. We go to the Cheti Chandra Melo, organized very close to where I live, and I do make mitha chawar or taheri along with sai bhaji on this day. So I will quickly read a few lines of what I have written in this book. Of course, there are 100 recipes in this book, so do kind of check this out. Um, Let me read a few lines. At home, mitha chawar were made during Cheti Chand. My grandfather would like mitha chawar, and especially on this day, my mother would make mitha chawar and sai bhaji for all of us. While as kids, we often wondered why rice ought to be sweet, especially if we are eating it with sai bhaji. But now we love the special day combination. I remember the aarti and the traditional Sindhi pallo payan, which means literally that we hold the end of our sari or dupatta and bow our heads in veneration to receive Jhulelal's blessings. The holy water from the aarti would be sprinkled across the crowds, all of us waiting for some drops to fall in our pallo, which would be akin to receiving Udero Lal's blessings. So, this is just a few lines from my book, and like I said, I still celebrate this lovely day with mitha chawar, taheri, and sai bhaji. Once again, I wish all of you a very, very happy Cheti Chand. And on this day, we are making one or two books of mine as a giveaway, and Bhavna will explain the rules to all of you. So do join, do subscribe, do follow, and shower us with your blessings and love. Once again, wish you a very, very happy Cheti Chand.
So that was the very beautiful Geeta Gwalani. What a smart idea to capture 100 recipes from her heart onto page and, write a book for us. I'm really grateful that she's done this. I can't wait to meet her in real life and sit and chat with her, interview her for my channel, and more importantly, get to eat some food together. I am going to tell you all the rules of this giveaway. Okay, they are going to be extremely simple. You have to subscribe to our channel. First and foremost, subscribe to Sindhi Film Festival, ring the notification bell. That's rule number 1. If you are also on Instagram, please follow us, both of us, Geeta Gwalani and Sindhi Film Festival on Instagram. And thirdly, you have to leave a comment below this video on YouTube as well as on the post on Instagram telling us about your Cheti Chand memories and why you would love to win this book, okay, as a free giveaway. If you're not on Instagram, just leave us a comment here. And finally, the absolute final thing that you have to do is you have to share this video with as many Sindhis, non-Sindhis as you can. We work extremely hard to make Sindhi and English videos on everything Sindhi on this channel and also on our Instagram. And we would really like your support if you can, just hype us a little and become our little hype family. So please follow us. Follow Geeta Gwalani, subscribe to Sindhi Film Festival YouTube channel. If you're also on Instagram, please comment there. The Instagram rules are a little more. You'll find it on the post on Instagram. But if you're solely on YouTube, please comment below this video and of course, and leave your email ID or contact number or whatever, just so that we can reach you that you have won this book and we have to, courier it to you. So those were the rules, very easy peasy. Basically, we just want to see what you're saying and we don't want any, bots or anything or just hi, hello people who don't actually care win the copy. We need to make sure that authentic people win the book. I hope you get to win the book if you really love Sindhi cooking or would like to gift it to someone. Now, I am all decked up here in the Jai Jhulelal Sindhi topi embroidered in Sindhi, Hindi and English to wish you a very happy Cheti Chand, a very happy new year. And I'm sending all the love and light in my heart to yours and to your homes. I hope you guys are safe and happy. Wherever you're based, just send us your photos and videos of how you guys are celebrating Cheti Chand on Instagram. DM us at Sindhi Film Festival. We would love to repost, we would love to share with people, and we would love to see how you're celebrating. If you would like to take a walk down the memory lane, please watch our previous videos on how we've celebrated Cheti Chand through the years. I am just so happy to celebrate Cheti Chand with you by working. We usually take a day off on Fridays or Saturdays, but we are working and we are shooting this video and we are celebrating this Cheti Chand with you. Supremely happy. I have a lot of things to share with y'all. TEDx talk happened. Like finally, I spoke. I gave a TEDx speech. It's been a lot. It's been a lot on the personal and the professional front. We are going to come up with videos giving you all the updates very soon. For now, Cheti Chand giveaway. I'm wishing you guys all the best. May the real, Sindhi cookbook enthusiast win the book. If you all have any doubts, follow us on Instagram, comment us here. You all can email us. You all can always reach out. Till then, Bhavna Rajpal signing off. Wishing you all a very happy Cheti Chand. Please like this video. Share this video with as many Sindhis and non-Sindhis as you can. And please subscribe to Sindhi Film Festival. Ring the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye guys. Happy New Year.